Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. Maybe you've taken your snow tires off, or your tires are getting noisy, and you've replaced your tires, but there's still a noise there. I'm going to tell you what it might be right after this. So you've put brand new tires on your car and you've got this weird humming noise. It's either coming from the front or the rear, and as you're going down the road, you gently rock your steering wheel as you're driving like this, and the noise gets worse and gets less. You probably got a wheel bearing issue there. Vehicles that sit a lot, or just with age, the grease can basically dry out in the bearing, and then you'll end up with a real noisy bearing. It gets dangerous though when they get loose. So if you notice this noise, you want to bring it to your mechanic and have them check the wheels for play in the wheel bearing. Anyway, if you're having that issue, that's what you might want to go in and address your concern as, that you possibly have a wheel bearing that's bad. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. Have a great evening. Drive safe too.